An invoice is the way to bill your customers for their purchase. Once your estimates or quotations are approved, you can convert them into a one-time invoice, or you can also create a one-time invoice directly. In this video, you will learn how to create a one-time invoice in simple steps. Here's how we do it. For creating the one-time invoice, navigate on your dashboard, and select this option. Click on Add New One-Time Invoice. If you are creating a one-time invoice for a new customer, you need to fill in the required details of the customer. ID is auto-generated. You can change it, but it will get approved when it's unique. Enter company's name. First name. Last name. Email. And phone number. If you are creating a one-time invoice for an existing customer, go to Add Existing Customer option. Elect Customer, and the customer's detail will get auto-fetch. Let's proceed to billing information. Write the name in the first name field. For your reference, I am entering Allison, and the other details accordingly. Last name. Email. And phone number. Now enter the address. Select country. State. City. And enter postal code. The tax registration box will be generated according to the country's tax policy. If you want to add a customer's tax registration number, you can add it here. This field is optional. If your billing address and shipping address is the same, enable this checkbox, and if not, then disable the checkbox. Then fill in the required details. Select your one-time invoice date. Enter the due date, till when the invoice is valid. Choose currency. Select the coupon you want to add to the one-time invoice. Add the shipping amount, if it is applicable. Enter the PO number of the customer. Select the late fee you would like to charge from the customer after the due date. Now you have to choose the tax type. If you want to apply tax on entire products or services, select For Entire option. When you select For Entire option, you will also have to select the tax profile from the available options. If you want to apply tax for specific items, select Per Line Item, and you will get the option of line item here. In the line item, enter the quantity you are offering in your one-time invoice. Now, based on your requirement, select the unit from an hour, service, or product. Write the name and short description of the product or service in the description field. Here, fill in the price you are quoting. Select the tax profile. Line item total is auto-generated, depending on the multiplication of quantity and price. You can add more line items by clicking on Add new line item box. This is the total amount that will be reflected in the one-time invoice. If you want to add any note to the invoice, you can enter it here. Finally, you can save your one-time invoice by clicking here. Your one-time invoice is successfully added. You can recheck all the information. You can add any attachment or comment for your reference. Navigate to the right top corner. In Actions, you can edit a one-time invoice. You can view the one-time invoice as a PDF by clicking here. Print or download the invoice from this options. Go back to the previous page. The existing customers can be charged automatically by clicking on the Close Now button if you have their card details. And, for the new customers, you can add the card details of the customers in the Customer panel. And then click on the Close Now button for charging automatically. If you don't have the card details of the customers, you can send an invoice by mail to your customers by clicking on Send for Payment button. And your customer can review the details and pay. Now go to the one-time invoice page. Your one-time invoice is added here. Click on the Action drop-down, and you can view the details of your one-time invoice by clicking on this View button. If you have any other queries, contact us on ChargeMonk.com. We will be happy to help you. Thank you for watching.